Thank you, Saleh. Let's start today's function by inviting our chief guest to the dais. May I request Dr. A.K. Singh, DDG Extension, ICR, and Director IERI, Dr. Rashmi Agrawal, Dean and Joint Director Education and Head Division of Plant Pathology, Dr. C. Vishwanathan, PI CAST, and Dr. V.K. Varanwal, Course Director. Thanks all the dignitaries. Now may I request Dr. C. Vishwanathan, PI CAS, to give welcome address and brief about the training program.
Good morning to all of you. I welcome our director, Dr. A.K. Singh, and DDG Agriculture Extension for this valedictory function. Sir, we are very thankful for kindly accepting to come and give the certificate to the students from various parts of the country who have participated in this training program. For the information of the student, since the training program started, our director is guiding us. In fact, he was in the national committee which formulated this project. Since then, he has given constant support, and all necessary support he is providing for the training program. And in fact, he has suggested the webcasting of all the training programs so that the student from other university and those who have applied along with you, they can also get benefit from that program. Sir, we are following your suggestion, and now we have covered almost 25 different states, 3 union territories, the students from various agriculture universities in the 6 different training programs which we are completing today. And we are also editing all those the lectures which have been delivered to a final form, so that all these lectures will be available in our IRI website. Some training program lectures are available in IRI websites, this NAHP websites. Others will also be available in our IRI website. I also welcome our Dean and Joint Director Education, Dr. Rashmi Agrawal, and also our former Dean and Joint Director Education, Dr. Jain, for this valedictory function. Both when this program was formulated, Dr. Jain has guided us in the formulation of this project, and we started implementing, and now Madam is providing all the necessary guidance support. Madam, we are very thankful for you, and always we depend on you for so many training program, inauguration and valedictory. You are always there to support us. And under this training program, we have completed, sir, the 6th training program, and the next training program is starting from the 1st November. That is organized by IASRI. In that training program also, we have received more than 140 application, and only about 27, 28 we could select, mainly because of the restriction in the accommodation, provision of accommodation. In any case, we also encourage the other universities to watch the training program online. So anyway, I think course director will tell more about that. In fact, Dr. Kumar has contacted few universities, and from US, Bangalore, and TNAU, many students have registered for online the course to attend the lectures, and they have also asked questions during the presentation here. So that facility was introduced in the last 2 trainings. I also welcome the course director, in fact, Dr. Baranwal and his course coordinators. They have put in lot of effort. In fact, for last 10 days they are with you. Before that also they have done lot of work, homework, to bring in the training manual and all the necessary arrangement that has to be made for the training program. And I welcome all the other faculty members who have contributed to this training, and also the trainees, the students from different institute. I am sure that the training program was very useful. Uh, uh, Please keep in touch with the faculties to get more benefit from this training program. And also you propagate the message of this training. You can share the training manual, and you can tell your friends to watch the lectures which have been uploaded in our NAHEP website. And with this brief welcome address, I conclude my talk. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for briefing about this training program. Now I request Dr. Rashmi Agrawal, please welcome director with flower pot. I once again request Dr. V.K. Baranwal to welcome Dr. Rashmi Agrawal with the pot. I also request Dr. Baranwal once welcome Dr. C. Vishwanathan. May I request Dr. V.K. Baranwal, course director, to provide details of the training program.
Very good afternoon, Honorable Director and DDG Extension, Dr. A.K. Singh, my esteemed colleague, Dr. Rashmi Agrawal, Dean and Joint Director, Education, Dr. Vishwanathan, PI of this project, Dr. Jain, Dr. Kumar, Dr. Pant, Dr. J.P. Rao, and Dr. Viswas, Dr. Saran, and so many colleagues. Welcome to this afternoon for the valedictory function from my side. We all know that virus and virus-like pathogens are always a big challenge for researchers and students alike. Because of the difficulty, there are very few centers and universities in the country who has capacity to work on this very important group of pathogens. I must thank NAHEP to provide this opportunity to Advanced Center of Plant Virology to provide exposure to students of 18 different universities from different parts of the country. There is always a dream for students to get or to be part of IRI, and this is just a small attempt to fulfill a dream of being in IRI for all these students. This training, I am sure, has benefited the students, which is evident from pre and post-training evaluation. So we had conducted a evaluation before the training started, and the mark out of 50 ranged from 6 to 32 before training, and after training, the mark ranged from 38 to 45. This is from outside IRI students. So we can see the vast improvement. 12 trainees had less than 60 marks before training, but all the trainees had marks more than 64% of that after the training was almost over. In this training, we had 14 lectures, which included 3 lectures by eminent speakers from National Center for Cell Science, Pune, Dr. Amit Yadav, and then we had Dr. Indranil Das Gupta from South Campus, Delhi University, and Dr. Selva Rajan from NRC Banana. And I am sure that the students have benefited from their talk. The practicals included dark and DAS ELISA, RT-PCR of virus and virewire, PCR and nested PCR of phytoplasma, rapid and simplified RPA-assay for detection of viruses, rolling circle amplification for circular DNA viruses. The trainees were also exposed to electron microscopy and confocal microscope, and they were also given brief glimpse of whitefly transmission and also about bioinformatics. So this is in brief. We also got feedback from the students, and many of the students did appreciate about the training. But since it is a short training program of 9 days, it is just not possible to include all aspects of molecular virology. And I'm sure this training has provided an opportunity for the student to interact with the faculty, and if they need any further assistance or information, they can always approach the faculty and get the desired information. With these remarks, I once again thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for briefing about the training program. Now it's time to know about the feedback from the trainees. May I request trainees, please come and say a few words about your experience about this training program.
Respected dignitaries on of the dais, myself MSV Satyanarayana from PhD research scholar from Central Agricultural University, Meghalaya. So I am very lucky to attend this training program. Before that, we hadn't seen this IRA campus inside, but by luck, with the permission of course director and other team members, I got selected in this training program. For that, I am very much lucky. And coming to the topic, for this genome-assisted diagnosis programs, very much helpful to the students particularly and those who are working in virus and for further future research also. Especially thanks to Sir R.K. Jain sir for initiating this program for the sake of the students and for research scholars, because until unless we don't have any clear idea about these concepts and research molecular tools, it is not possible to diagnose the virus and other organisms in the easiest mode. And I would like to thank the CAST and NAHAP CAST for giving this opportunity. And the course director, Sir Barnwal sir, he directed the courses very nicely starting from basics to the high level. So it helped us a lot in learning the concepts from basics to the high level concept and deeply also. Moreover, the faculty members, mentors, and resource persons and other SRFs like Shailendra sir, Ashwin sir, Nishant sir, Ashwin Kumar sir, and Priya ma'am, Guruvi Reddy sir, they taught very nicely. Even though if we ask some basic questions, they told very nicely, and now the picture is very clear that we have enough confidence to handle all the molecular techniques if we go back to our college. And we are sure that we will spread this, we will extend our knowledge, what I have received from this institute, to my friends and other fellows, those who are working and those who failed here and they don't have any knowledge about this basic concept. I will definitely try to extend my knowledge to them, and I will suggest my friends also, if they have any opportunity, to come here to attend this program. And once again, thank to all the faculty members, mentors, and every person to give me this opportunity, especially Kumar sir. He taught bioinformatics class and QPCR very nicely. Thank you very much, sir. And finally, not but the least, group members of Barnwal sir team, Sir R.P. Pant sir. Because of him, we had exposure of the electron microscope and very nicely. We had a good experience, sir. Thank you very much for that one. And Sir G.P. Rao, sir, he taught very nicely with some of the basic depths. Why plant pathologists and virologists are not able to discover this, what is this? Not phytoplasma, medicine for this plant viruses. Because animal viruses and human viruses, we are getting antidote very quickly, but the plant viruses, we are lagging behind that. So how to overcome this one? To get this answer, sir, he told very nicely. And thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Satyanarayana, for your feedback.
Second feedback.
Okay. Now I request any girl student to give her remark about the training.
Good afternoon, respected dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. Myself, Ramya Teja, I'm PhD scholar in Tamil Nadu Agriculture University. So, at the very outset, I would like to thank this NHEP CAS program for conducting this wonderful training on genome-assisted diagnosis of plant virus and phytoplasma. As we know, it is a dream of every student to be a part of IARA as a student. In this way, we could come here and learn a lot of things. I would like to thank the course directors and team of this CAS training for selecting us. We are very fortunate that we got selected and came here. And with immense honor, I would like to thank all the lecturers. I could see in that urge to give a lot of information to the students. We used to clear our doubts even in the tea break. We used to surround them and discuss whatever doubts we couldn't clear in the class. And a very, very special thanks to the mentors, Shailendra sir, Abhishek sir, Kumar sir, Nishant sir, Gurvi Reddy sir, Saurabh sir, our team mentor, and Sajid sir, and Priyam madam. Thank you so much for your patience. And I hope from the lectures that you will always extend your hand for helping us, even after the training, like through emails or any doubts we have. And our university is waiting for us back and they are expecting a lot. So I really, I'm very thankful. Thank you all.
Thank you, Ramya, for your remark. May I request Dr. Rashmi Agarwal, Dean and Joint Director Education, for her remark about this training program.
Thank you, Dr. Pant. Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable Director of the Institute, Dr. A.K. Singh, and also DDG Extension ICR. Dr. Vishwanathan, who is head of the Plant Physiology Division and also the PI of this very ambitious and prestigious program, NAHEP. Dr. V.K. Baranwal, Director of this course and also Professor of Division of Plant Pathology. Our Honorable and most respected ex-Dean and also Head of the Division, ex-Head of the Division, Dr. R.K. Jain. Core team members, course coordinators, Dr. Pant and Dr. G.P. Rao. Other faculty members of Division of Plant Pathology, and I see the faculty from other division, entomology faculty. All the trainees, all the support systems, resource persons, technicals, administrative staff. So it's a pleasure for me to say a few words because our director also has to leave for some other meeting. I see a big change. As mentioned by Dr. Baranwal that there was a big leap in your score. I see a big leap amongst the trainees also. That the day when you had come here on the inaugural, I was there. I saw it was clear demarcation of all the girl students sitting on one side and all the boy students sitting on the other side. Now I see a good intermingling between all of you. It means you have really interacted, and there were 17, 18 states from which you had all come here. So it's a good cultural interaction as well as I see a scientific interaction amongst you. And that's a good sign. It's a very healthy sign. Dr. Baramwal said that now you are a part of IRI. You have all learned basic concepts and also maybe practically most of the techniques you must have learned, as two of the trainees also mentioned. So you feel part of IRI, part of Division of Plant Pathology, part of Advanced Center of Plant Virology. Anytime, any help you need from us, we are ready to help you, and we are very hopeful that after you go back, you will give a genuine feedback to your to your organization, and also you will, as one of the trainees said, he will share and others also will share the information with their peer group, with other colleagues. So it's a very happy and pleasure occasion for me that as a head plant pathology, we could impart you the training, we could give you whatever knowledge our lecturers or the faculty had, and also you could learn a lot of things during your practical classes also. All the lectures are on the YouTube. You can again go back, again you can open wherever you have not understood anything, or you can come to the lecturer or the faculty and contact them. So I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. May this training help you in your programs also, MSc and PhD programs, and also for your future research projects or wherever you are posted after your PhD programs. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, ma'am, for your remark. Now I request Director Sir to distribute certificates to the trainees. So I will name one by one, so please you come. Akansa Singh. Aparna K. Gokul. Arvind T. Okay. Arvind T. from GB Pant University of Agriculture and Technology, Pantnagar. Then Ashulata Kausal, Indira Gandhi Krishi Vishwavidyalaya, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Priyam Panda, Indira Gandhi National Open University, New Delhi. Sorry. Okay. Yes. Now, Chingakham Khawa, Assam Agriculture University, Jorahat. Mr. Satyanarayana, Central Agriculture University, Imphal, Campus Meghalaya. Manoj Kumar Yadav, IRI. Neha Burma, then PAU, Punjab Agriculture University, Ludhiana. Neha Verma. Then Washington Singh. Washington Singh from IRI. Then Pooja Sharma from Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel University, Modipuram, Meerut. Priyanka Ben Bharti Bai Patel From Anand Agriculture University, Anand, Gujarat. Prakash, University of Rajasthan, Jaipur. Pratik Ranjan Behera from Odisha Agriculture University, Bhubaneswar. Then Sajjad Ul Nabi from IERI. Silpa N, University of Mysore, Mysuru, Karnataka. Saurabh Kumar Dubey from IERI. M. Guruvi Reddy from IERI. Swati Chakrabarti from BCKB, Mohanpur, West Bengal. Then TSS Chandana, Dr. YSR Agriculture University, Andhra Pradesh. And Ramya Teja from TNAU, Coimbatore. Binayak Venkatesh Pai, University of Agricultural Sciences, Dharwad. Biswas N, Mysore University, Mysuru, Karnataka. Yashwant Kumar Pankaj from Rajendra Prasad Central Agriculture University, Pusa, Samastipur. And last two, Vandana M, Tamil Nadu Agriculture University, Coimbatore. Thank you. May I request Dr. A.K. Singh, DDG Agriculture Extension ICR and Director IERI for his valedictory address.
Respected Dr. R.K. Jain, the former Dean, IRI, and Dr. Rasmi Jain, the current Dean, IRI, Dr. Vishwanathan, Head of the Division, Dr. Barnwal, and Dr. Rao, Dr. Kumar, Dr. Pant, many of our colleagues from IRI and dear participants. First of all, I congratulate all of you who have got the certificates today for this training program. And this has been one of the very important projects which ICR launched in the country. And I feel happy to be part of this one because when this project was being formulated, Dr. Jain was there, I was there, both were getting it done, and of course Dr. Vishwanathan was there as PI. We got it sanctioned for IRI, and this is probably the 6th training program which we are organizing here. And this has been appreciated all across. Those who are funding this project, they have also appreciated the way IRI is doing. Some students are also going abroad for training. Staff members are also going. And very senior staff is also going somewhere, I come to know, from the universities. So that is happening, and I hope the youngsters go more in such training programs and they learn it. See, your subject is very, you can say, a specific one. And the kind of training you might have got from the best of the scientists who are here will definitely enrich your years to come. You will be guided what you learned here. And the success of any training program depends only when something, what you have learned here, you are able to replicate, you are able to work upon that. Many times we attend a training program and forget the training program the day we go from here. So that should not be the purpose. See, you are at the age when you can build your own career in one area, and probably this may be one area in which you have been trained here. Try to improve your skills further. This training program is not going to be sufficient for you to work forever, but you have to keep on improving your skills in the years to come. You be in touch with your scientists who are here. They will keep on mentoring you whatever way they can do. So that is one lesson which I would like to give you. See, this is the era of microorganisms. Everywhere it is being talked that how this can be utilized in terms of getting the resistance in the plant material what we are producing. Also at the same time how to reduce the input also in the production of crops. That is again the debate is going on. Or one institution at MAU, microorganisms which they are working, they say that they have got one microorganism, using that one 20 to 30% reduction of nitrogen can be made. I don't know how much true it is going to be in the years to come, but that is the kind of prospect which is emerging. And not only in case of India, other countries are also thinking that how you can reduce the use of chemicals and how you can use the pathogens, whatever we have, whatever the genetic material or germplasm or microorganisms which we have got, how that can be utilized in the whole resource base which we are having to improve the quality of production, the quantity of production, reducing input use, and also bringing resistance. That is what we are assuming now. And science has to go in different direction then. Suddenly microorganisms once becomes very important, then you will find different stream of science going on altogether. The researchers who have been working basically on the chemicals, finding compounds, they will have to think little bit more, and they have to working on those areas. So probably this is the time when the youngsters like you who have come for a training program, you can look into that how you can do it. And we find it very fascinating because once a gene is transmitted to a variety, we find that resistance comes to a variety. And resistance comes for the good. You are not using a particular chemical. Once a resistance comes, a particular epidemics is not happening. So all those things are very important for the agriculture in the years to come. And I am sure that this training program might have given quite of insights to you. You will build on the lessons what you have learned here, and you will be always in touch with your scientists. And see, learning has no boundaries. Today what you have learned may not be the correct tomorrow, may be proved wrong tomorrow. So keep on learning. Whatever has been taught today, try to build on this one, try to improve upon this one, and build your career in this one. So with these few words, I thank you all, particularly the course director and all those course coordinators who have conducted this program very successfully, I will tell you. And those who are behind the scene, Dr. Viswanathan, Dr. Rasmi Agarwal, Dr. R.K. Jain, and many of you who are there to support this whole program. It is happening, and I hope that it will happen for the good in the years to come. So thank you very much. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your valedictory address. May I request Dr. Rashmi Agrawal to facilitate our director with a memento. Last but not least, I invite Dr. G.P. Rao for the formal vote of thanks of today's function.
Thank you, Dr. Pan. Very good afternoon to all of you. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. A.K. Singh, sir, Director IRI and DDG Extension, ICR, New Delhi, for his kind consent to be chief guest of today's validity function and grace the occasion. Thank you, sir. Sir, with only your help and blessings, we have very successfully completed this training program with its real objectives and mandate, and trained near about 24 young talents for this new area of identification of especially new microbial kingdoms which are very specific in their own kind, like viruses, viroids, and phytoplasma. We would also like to express sincere vote of thanks to Dr. Rasmi Agarwal, Dean, Joint Director Education and Head of Division of Plant Pathology, for your extended help in various arrangements and organization of this training. Thank you, ma'am. We also would like to express our sincere thanks to Dr. R.K. Jain, ex-Dean and Joint Director Education. You know, everybody told that is his genesis, no, to organize this type of training program. Thank you, sir. Again, I would like to thank Dr. C. Vishwanath, PI, and Dr. Manjaya and Dr. Kumar, nodal officers of this particular NAHP and CAS program, for permission and sponsorship and organization this training program grand success. Special thanks to Dr. Kumar to day-to-day monitoring and arrangements of different activities during the training. We are also thankful to Dr. B.K. Banwal, course director, for proposing and planning this unique training in the Division of Plant Pathology, and for his extended valuable guidance and help. We also thank all the faculty members of virology discipline and Division of Plant Pathology, technical staff, especially about Madam Baljit and Silpi, for stating their full support in demonstration, electron microscopy and confocal microscopy system to the trainees. I would also like to thank our deep sense of gratitude and appreciation to my friend Dr. Pant, one of the main coordinators, who was the key instrumental person behind the organization this successful event. And it is only his untiring, sincere and hard work make this possible to organize this training in such a grand success. We are also thankful to all our guests and invited speakers from Delhi and out of Delhi for their very inspired talks on various themes of updated molecular diagnosis techniques for all three different types of pathogens dealt with. A special thanks to our colleague Dr. Banwal has already mentioned that we have three colleagues who are from out of IRI, Dr. Indranil Das Gupta, Dr. Amit Yadav, and Dr. Selva Rajan. We'd also express our thanks to Head Division of Plant Pathology, faculty, office staff, technical staff, and students of Division of Plant Pathology for their help and support for working day and night to make this program a success. The sincere hard work and effort made by our students, I would especially like to mention the name Shalin, Rakesh, Nishant, Pankuri, Subhajit, Manisha, Aswani, Damini, Hema, Guru Reddy, and Priyam, and Surabhi for their sincere support in demonstration and explanation of various techniques and protocols involved in genome-assisted diagnosis of these pathogens. Besides, we are also thankful to our guests from Studio 92, who covered online transmission and broadcast. That is the most positive this part of this training, that not only students from IRI, but all students from agriculture university, other parts of our country, they would have benefited by direct telecasting these special lectures for the benefit of students. And in this connection, I would also like to thank Dr. Prasanna from US Bengaluru and Dr. Iravan, Tamil Nadu, for their coordination of live discussion from their respective places. On behalf of IRI and NAHP CAS program, I once again extend my best wishes to all the trainees and wish you all a very happy Diwali. I am sure that all the trainees would have found this hands-on training meaningful on different molecular aspects of diagnosis with unique microbial kingdoms, that they are very, very specific. You deal if you compare to other plant pathogens, because they are not culturable, they are mainly dependent on host cell and but at the same time they are causing very, very serious economic losses to our major agriculture crops. So that way it is very unique, all the pathogens. In the end, once again I thank NAHP CAS program for approval and sponsoring this training program, which was really required to update and spread of knowledge among the students pursuing their research career in plant pathology in different parts of the country. In the last, I wish every best for all the trainees and wish you all a safe back journey to home. Thank you.